this is new. They've had their Moab compressor out for quite a while, but this auto air is pretty trick because you can actually set the PSI that you want to air up to and it'll do it. So we're going to unbox it now. So what you get is this case, and in the case you have beautiful Moab orange, beautiful Moab here. So set this aside, take the plastic off, because we're going to air this Gladiator back up. We're down to around 12 psi. Now the thing that's cool about this Moab is it is 10.7 CFM. So if you're familiar with a lot of other air compressors, Viair, ARB, they're very good, high quality compressors, but none of them are a 10.7 CFM. So the higher the CFM, the faster you're going to air up your tires. We'll be airing up some 37, 10, 50, 17s. They're at 12 and we're going to go up to about 32 PSI. So all you got to do here is hook this up to your battery. So you got these alligator clips here, just like you're jump starting your car. You're going to put one on the positive first, and then the other one on the negative. Okay. So this is my easy plate. This one has been used before. Easy plate has these awesome ends here that are anodized, and these aren't going to rust. They're going to last. Okay. The nice thing that Easy Plate, they kind of thought through how to keep everything sized so they can get the most air to work with this Moab compressor. Okay? So it comes with all these straps so you can keep everything nice and organized. So now I've got a hose that's going to go from here to here real quick. See that 13.6? That's where the tires are equalized right there. So now what we do is we want more than that. So that would be 32 multi. Now it's going to automatically go until we hit 32 PSI. So we'll be right back and we'll tell you how long it did 32 PSI with those 37s. So right now we're at 6:31 p.m. okay? So we'll check it when we get to 32. But look at this. So you see at 6:35, it's at 32 PSI from 13. All right, so here's the deal. We went from 13 PSI to 32 PSI on these 37, 1250 17s in 5 minutes. That's insane, that's fast. These guys over here, we had a twin bi-air. He started 5 minutes before me. He's still going, but those are 40s, so we give him a pass. Doug only went to 25 PSI with his ARB single. He just barely wrapped up. So 5 minutes, easy Flate, let easy Flate pump you up.